So how do we get started learning fashion designing? There are so many courses. How do we get started? I get this question quite a bit, so I made a video on how to navigate the curriculum in learning fashion design. Here we go. So if you're brand new at this, I would suggest to start with how to create a fashion collection and launch your brand. It's basically a course that covers the entire process from beginning to end, from your ideas and sketching and pattern making and draping and so on. So it covers the overall process that the industry follows. It gives you an idea how things work, basically. After that, you should take your sketching course. I mean, at the end of the day, you need to translate what's in your mind, in your head, onto paper. This basic sketching course will show you step by step how to sketch ideas onto paper. You don't have to be a brilliant artist at it. This is a basic course. Then you should take your pattern making 1, which covers the basic principles and skills on pattern making. How to make patterns, right? I mean, without a pattern, you can't really make a garment. So this pattern making 1, and then 2, and 3, and 4, and so on. Fabrics. Fabrics is really, 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 really important, right? Look, no fabrics, no garment. There are so many different types of fabric. You've got to take your fabric course in order to know what fabric to use for what design, right? They have to go hand in hand. So fabric is next. Draping. Draping is the process of pinning fabric onto a dress form. Now, you do need a dress form if you want to take your draping courses. By the way, you should buy a dress form. If you're serious about designing, buy a dress form. Now, basic bodice. There's a course on basic bodice on how to draft basic patterns from scratch using specific measurements. It could be your own measurements, your form measurements, your sister, your mother, whatever. So now if you're really serious about turning this into a company, there is a business side of fashion. So take the course Business of Fashion along with branding and marketing. I mean, you need to really sort of combine the artistic side, the creative side with the business side in order to really make a successful brand. All right, now one final very important note. Your mindset is your most powerful design tool. I recently published a book called Design Your Future, Be a Future Designer. It's not just about fashion design, but it's about becoming the kind of creative who succeeds from the inside out. Let me explain. In this book, I combine real-world skills and mindset shifts and powerful principles of success that every aspiring designer should know. If you're serious about your future in fashion and in life, this book was written for you. You can find it right now on Amazon in paperback format as well as an ebook format. So check it out. Your future self will thank you. Trust me. So here's the link and check it out.